Hi, this is Phil Blessman, and I'm giving you a short introduction to the AP Physics program at JFKS for the 10th to 11th grade transition meeting. There are 4 courses in AP Physics: AP Physics 1, AP Physics 2, AP Physics C Mechanics, AP Physics C Electricity and Magnetism. A lot to take in, so we are going to go through each one of those points in this presentation, so just hang on. Down at the bottom here, we've got my email in case you have any questions, and I also have a YouTube channel where this presentation and some other materials are posted as well. So just giving a quick overview, there are 4 courses as mentioned. The first 2 of those, AP Physics 1 and AP Physics 2, are algebra-based courses. What that means the math we're using is not calculus, but just algebra. These courses were formerly AP Physics B for the parents that are remembering those from their time in school. AP Physics C, Mechanics and E&M are both courses that are somewhat unchanged from previous decades when parents might have, or I might have taken those in school. Those are calculus-based courses. And just to compare kind of what colleges generally do, AP Physics 1, AP Physics 2 would be considered what universities call generally college physics, which would be a course taken by pre-meds, whereas AP Physics C would be a university physics course that would be taken by science majors, not pre-med science majors such as physics or chemistry, as well as engineering students. A little bit about me, Mr. Blessman. I have been teaching AP Physics for 22 years. And I have 11 years experience as an AP Physics reader, scoring questions for the College Board, as well as a table leader for them as well, and I'm also writing quite a bit of questions. Just wanted to give a little bit of a note about how university admissions work in Europe. Tends to be true that British schools, which has been a favorite place for our students to go until Brexit, now let's see if that's changing, that they generally require 2 good scores of those 4 AP Physics exams, oftentimes 5. So 2 of the exams, they have to get 5 students to be admitted, in my experience at least. German schools specifically require AP Physics C Mechanics and AP Physics C E&M for students to be admitted to take a course of study requiring physics in Germany. So we are offering all of those courses, which seems hard to get, and therefore I just want to spend a minute talking about that. This is a little bit confusing, but it does provide students with greater choice and flexibility. They can therefore take AP Physics 1, 2, AP Physics C, or a mixture. Of course, they have to pace and figure out when they take those courses. It does give students the opportunity to prepare for both AP Physics C exams for admission to German universities. In the past, JFKS had only offered AP Physics B and then AP Physics 1, 2, and I've introduced AP Physics C as an addition. And I'm excited that for the last couple of years we've been now rotating AP Physics C and AP Physics 1, 2, and it's been working quite well. So the other thing that's really important here too is because we offer 4 courses that really maximizes the possibility for students to earn 5s because they have 4 different courses that they can choose from. So if they got a 5 in AP Physics 1 and a 4 in AP Physics 2, they can then get a 5 in AP Physics C Mechanics the following semester, or even the same semester could also be possible. You could also take multiple tests in the same year. Other things here too, in terms of moving to the US and studying there, this certainly gives students the opportunity to take the correct course, if you want to think about it that way, for their course of study. So if they're interested in pre-med, taking AP Physics 1, 2 would be a great choice for them. If they're more interested in engineering and maybe studying physics or chemistry, then taking AP Physics C would be a great choice as well. But either way, honestly, I think just taking the whole package, obviously I'm biased as the physics teacher here, the AP Physics teacher, so just take them all 4 because they're great courses. So our school is really, really small, so I'd love to offer all of them at the same time, but we can't do that. So we have to alternate the schedule. 1 year AP Physics 1, 2, the other year AP Physics C. So for the coming year, the course that we're offering is AP Physics C, Mechanics and Electricity and Magnetism. It's a full year class, August to June. 1 credit is earned, 6 periods per week. It's calculus based. This is important. This course focuses more on depth compared to AP Physics 1, 2 and covers fewer topics but more mathematical in its approach. Topics are linear and rotational motion, forces, momentum and energy. Those are the three mechanics units that are included in the AP Physics C Mechanics course. And then static electricity, circuits, and electromagnetic induction are the topics for the E&M course. Slightly condensed there, the version, but those are the basic courses, very similar to a one-year university physics course of study. And our students may actually earn credit for our courses at Colorado University, Denver through the dual enrollment program. And more about that, if you have questions, email me. There are two 90-minute exams in May, one for AP Physics C Mechanics and one for AP Physics C E&M. Most of our students sign up for both, but you have the choice, of course, of taking just one of those, or neither, I guess, but that's not a great idea. Anyway, the course is offered this coming year and then again in 2023. So the year after that, for many of your students, this will be their senior year. Then, of course, if they're rising 11th graders, AP Physics 1 and 2 will be offered. That is a 1-credit course, 6 periods per week, but it's algebra-based, not calculus-based, and it covers more breadth, and also it covers those topics with a bigger focus on explaining physics concepts rather than using equations. So it uses many more words in terms of talking about physics rather than derivations, calculations, and those kind of things. Topics are linear and rotational motion, forces, Newton's laws, momentum and energy, fluid and thermodynamics, static electricity, circuits, electromagnetic induction, waves, optics, and sound, and modern physics. So you already see there are 9 topics here. That's 3 more than we have for the AP Physics C course. And the big additions here, of course, are that we're adding fluids and thermodynamics, we're adding waves, optics, and sound, and we're adding modern physics. Those 3 topics are added, and that really expands the breadth. So we're probably looking at 50% more topics covered, less depth, but also more explaining, and of course the math is not quite the same level. 2 180-minute exams in May, and the course will be offered again in 2024-25, which is a long time in the future.